Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to change in face mask sizes. I got so many people ask me large size for men, small size for children, which I can't really provide the actual size. I thought maybe if I told you use a lot of trick how to changing sizes by yourself, then you can make all the size at home. It's very easy, just a lot of trick. Okay, before I do that, I want to show you the very popular pattern on my channel, which is this pattern, this face mask I made with this pattern. This face mask at the moment had scored about 8.6 million viewer, and which is super popular on YouTube. I'm going to show you how to change in face mask sizes for that one. Then we can move on some of the popular ones as well, but it's the same idea. Okay, we'll give it a go. Okay, what you need to do is you follow my my YouTube channel link, and I will forward on the link. On the description. On the description about how to make the actual size like this one. Now my main point this video is show you how to enlarge it and reduce size. Okay, I use different color paper, so you can compare, you can see clearly. What you need to do is that's the face mask side. We fold it in half. And you just trace it, okay? Trace the actual pattern on the paper. Okay, this size is suitable for normal size adult, like a medium size adult or teenagers. If you want to go large, it's very easy. It's very easy. Just 2 pencil will do. 2 pencil. Not a lot of trick. Use elastic. Just secure them together so they don't move. You can see it. Okay, in that way, it's you want the sides roughly. You want the sides roughly between 1 centimeter, something like that. Roughly 1 centimeter. Then you go around it. If they're not large enough, what you can do is put a piece of paper in between. I show you that. It's that piece of paper. It's double-sided. Just roll it, okay? Roll it tight on the pencil. Okay, this creating a gap between 2 pencils. So this actually will make it even bigger. The gap is bigger, so the size will be a lot bigger. I can show the difference. That's the pencil with paper. You can see it. Pencil without paper. And the pencil with paper. So it will be a little bit larger, so you can increase a little bit larger. Use that idea. With this idea, you can go any size you like, really. Okay, now we're going to show you how you're going to enlarge it. to enlarge it, you just use this template, follow the line. It's easier, just follow it. Okay, don't worry, this will not match. You just end of it and close it. Now we're going to try, if you want a little bit more, we're going to try the pencil with the paper. You will see the gap a little bit bigger. Then you just want if you just want a slightly bit bigger, you can see it's the outline, it's different. Can you see that? So the outline is it's a lot bit bigger. If you just want this tiny, increase the size by a little bit. Not much, but that's the way you do. If you want any bigger, you just enroll some more paper with it, really. That's the idea, but that's how you go bigger. But what about how you go smaller? Okay, you do the same thing. We start with this small pencil, then you just follow the line, follow the actual template line. Okay, make sure your eyes able to somehow follow the line. One. Makes your eyes focus on the red line, and another line will naturally fall in places. Okay, that will be a small, medium, large. Again, if you want even smaller, you can use the same idea with the paper, and this, because the gap is bigger, and we'll make the template smaller. You can see that? You can see that between the line, if you follow it. If you follow that way, it's make a lot bit smaller. If you want to just a lot bit smaller, really, that is the main point I'm talking about, to make it larger or small, even bigger or even smaller, and you just use the paper to guide the size. Okay, when you cut it, you can see the result. If that is a medium one, we're going to cut a big one, the outline. You can see there will be a larger size comparison to the medium one. Do you see the difference? Yeah. Again, if I cut in a smaller line, inside the line will smaller than this, that's the basic idea tells you. This idea can apply to all sorts of masks. That's another one very popular on my channel. Again, I will forward on the I use exactly the same idea. You trace it the red line as actual template, then you can make it larger or smaller. The same thing, once you cut it will be like that. That's the second popular one. And the same thing, and another one for this pretty mask. Again, you trace it actual size on the red line. Again, use pencil, do large or small, and use paper in between, make it even larger or even smaller. And so many face mask patterns on YouTube, but if you want a different size, and today the tutorial mainly show you how you just do that. Again, that's the thing. That's the pattern. Then you fold it in half in the middle and cut it. I hope you had learned how to enlarge size and reduce size from actual face mask pattern, which you had learned from YouTube. And you can make face mask any sizes. It's no longer struggle you. You know, that's today mainly about this tutorial about. I hope you find helpful. Thank you very much for your support. Thank you. See you very soon. Bye.